Hello everybody and welcome back to this tutorial. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to see how we can actually make post requests using the requests library. Now the post requests are opposite of the get requests. Basically it means sending data to a server as opposed to retrieving it, although post requests can also receive data within the response, just like get requests. Now in order to use it in Python, instead of using the get method, we need to use the post method. For passing an argument, we can pass it inside the data parameter. Now in the previous video we saw how we can pass the arguments in the params parameter. Right now it is different, we're going to pass it in the data parameter, and we're going to perform it on the same website as we tested before, so http://bin.org. But right now we're going to go to this link, http://bin.org/ and then post. You will go right here and it will say method not allowed. This method is not allowed for the requested server. Okay, that doesn't really concern us. We want to just test it out with our Python. Whoops, we need to go to idle, enlarge this, and then I will import requests library. We need to create the payload once again, which is going to be our data currently, and we're going to once again parse the username and the password. Just right now you will see that once we actually print the contents of our headers, it will not be in the link itself, it will not go through the link, it will go through something as a form or something like that. You will not longer see the link containing the username and password because we are performing the post request right now. So right here we need to have username, let it be admin, then the next thing we need is a password, so password parameter is going to have the value of password, doesn't even matter, you can specify anything you like. And right here we need to create the post request, and to create the post request you simply just call the request library and then .post. You specify the link in between the brackets, which is going to be http http://bin.org/post, which is the actual path to the website that we want to perform the post request to. Then once you do that, simply just press comma and specify the parameter data to be equal to payload. Okay, simple as that. Press here enter, and right now what we can do is we can print, first of all you can print the URL if you want to, in order to just make sure that you are specifying the correct URL, and you can also print the text format. As we can see right here, in the previous actual video where we actually sent it with the GET request, you remember that the URL consisted of username and password right after it, and right now we're passing the password and username inside the form, and you can see right here, because this is a post request. You can see the usual headers, host, http://bin.org, user agent, Python requests, and so on and so on. So the data will be form encoded by default. Now you can also pass more complicated header requests like a tuple, if multiple values have the same key, a string instead of a dictionary, or a multi-part encoded file. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at actually sending files with the post request in the next video. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!